hate my intro.
Hello, it's your friendly... Hello, it's your friendly neighborhood... I can't do this. Hi, it's your friendly neighborhood little Sarah, and we're gonna be working on my Focus ST today. We have a lot of parts to install, and there's a link up above to a video that we worked on my car last, so you can get updated on what we're doing.
I just had her do her version of my intro so she can see what I have to go through. I think she nailed it. It took her like 5 takes, but it's not easy. It's not easy being cheesy. Okay, like she said, we're gonna be working on her Focus ST today. We have a ton of parts that she has ordered and slowly collected that we're gonna be putting on her car. So she has brand new headlights, the LED DRLs with the projector. They're non-HID, but she's gonna do a LED conversion. Also has this awesome skid plate. I'll get a little bit more into this in a second to install. And then this guy right here, a factory Focus RS air box that I got her for Christmas for her ST. So yeah, we got a bunch of stuff to install on our car, and I don't know, we're just gonna jack her car up. She'll probably start doing the skid plate, and I'm gonna start tackling the intake and the headlights on her car. So all kinds of stuff to install today. So this is Sarah's factory airbox on her Focus ST. So you can see it's really similar to the RS airbox. Primary difference is just the lid, but it's still a factory airbox, so it's gonna keep out dust and dirt and heat. So, dude, that is like legit. You can bottom out pretty hard, and that's gonna protect your oil pan. Mm-hmm. That is nice.
It's beefy AF, man.
It's super beefy. Watch out for sand in your eyes. I'm taking this thing off. It's full of sand. Got it. Hello. So I got the base off of the factory ST airbox, and I thought they're identical at first looking at them, but I did do research before I ordered this airbox for her, and there was minor differences between the bases, and I actually can see now what the difference is. See? Slightly different on that lower corner than this one, but they are different. The base between the SD and the RS, they are slightly different. So it's a good thing I bought the entire thing. That lowered car life has that like carpeting stuff that they put on there for a sound deadening, and then it was just absolutely destroyed back there.
So I'm out from under the car, and to start the install of the skid plate, it pretty much it comes with these. So there are new clips. These are old clips. I already took them out. So the brackets pretty much go in these holes. Put the little bracket through there. Now that I've bent the little rod, and you can see it's up here. And I put the bolt in so it doesn't slide around. But all these ones do is just insert. Have to be careful not to lose these brackets inside here. But once it's all tightened up, they shouldn't move at all.
Are your arms falling asleep?
No, I put this clip on. Real shitty like, and now the bowl won't go into it, so now I gotta take it off and fix this clip.
There we go. Ta-da! Focus RS airbox complete. Is that really? Geez, that's all hold your headlight in is those 2 bolts?
Yep.
Wow, that's so easy. Most cars you have to get to like a hidden bolt underneath the bumper cover, and you have to like pull the bumper cover off. No, not this thing. Just a bolt in the top corner, a bolt in the bottom corner, comes off. That'd really suck if you broke a headlight tab though, because you don't really have much holding these headlights in. Here's the difference between the two headlights. This is the base model. I believe it was just ST1 is what these were called, the base headlight. And then over here is the upgraded unit. Now this is the same style as the factory ST3 model headlight, I believe. If you look right here, it's got 3 little mount points and then this square hole. So it looks like it's already set up. If you have HIDs, you can mount your igniter pack right here to the bottom. But she's gonna do LED headlights anyway because HIDs are kind of getting phased out technology-wise. Oh, they fit nice. Dude, this thing is super thick.
4 millimeters.
Like, I feel like you could jump this car now. Like, that's nice. I like how there's little vents for cooling and stuff too. That's cool. I just gotta mention, none of the stuff that we installed on her car today was sponsored. Sarah bought all these parts for her car. And the skid plate is made by like the small business here in the States called the Skidplate guy. So I wanna give him a shout out because he's a small business. I definitely like supporting small businesses. And this is a really well-made skid plate. Lights look so much better. It is crazy how good they look, and I like that they're not like those really over dramatic aftermarket looking headlights. Ooh, that looks so good. We're gonna take her car out to one of the spots where I film car reviews. It's a little bit of a drive, but figured go there and get some shots, yeah, turn right, of her car so you can see now with the new headlights on there. Making fun of me for when I did the thumbnail of the last car review, the Audi review, how I was trying to do car model poses. I don't know how to do car model poses. I'm not a car model. Hello. We're gonna work on the ST some more. We're gonna do her badges on the front and the back of the car. She bought some grabber blue ones to replace the red ones are on there, and we're gonna take off the Focus badge that's on the back too, just because it looks out of place, even though it's factory. And yeah, oh, I just figured I'd let you guys know now in this video, those of you that have enjoyed my car reviews so far in the past couple weeks, there won't be another review now for 3 weeks. So the next review is coming the end of February. I had to wait because they're swapping out the 2018 for the 2019 model year cars for me to review. So there's just nothing available now till end of February. You're getting through it. You'll probably break the floss a couple times. Yeah.
Yeah, it's working pretty well. Oh, broke it.
Oh, look at all that nice glue we gotta get off now. This is the crappy part. The dental floss works, only broke once. That's actually not that bad. But now there's a ton of this. I know it's like 3M adhesive, but from the factory, there's a ton of that left over. Oh yeah, it works. I just hit up the area where the badge was with alcohol. Why can't I say alcohol? I swear I haven't been drinking it. Oh, I feel it. So you can see like where your pressure points were. There is some contaminants. They're like really microscopic contaminants though. I've never in my life wanted to do an ASMR video, but the idea of doing an ASMR clay bar video actually sounds kind of funny. Like, I don't know if I could do that though. Make an entire YouTube video, ASMR on car, maybe like an ASMR detailing video. That'd be so weird. Looks so much better. Your car needs a really good detail. Listen on camera. So we know where her badge went. What I did was I used a laundry marker and I made a couple little marks to line a straight edge up, and then I'll be able to line her ST badge back to where it should be, because the buffer is gonna remove the ghost outline of where it is.
Oh my god, I'm so scared of it. I don't know why.
Just hold it really tight against the paint.
Okay.
It'll be fine once it gets going to speed.
It's so hard to hold.
It's because as it speeds up, it's hard, but once it's at speed, it's easy. There's not going to be any test of the actual headlights light output in this video because she has to order LED bulbs for the high and the low beam still, and it just came with some like basic halogen bulbs. They're like made in China that are in the headlight, so there's no purpose in even showing you that in the video. There'll be another video coming when she gets a proper set of LED high beams and LED low beams for the car, and probably some LED fogs too.
Oh, we just like, oh. It smells like your hair product.
Does it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know why, like, I don't know what it is of ASMR, why I have like this curiosity.
You start and then somehow you end up watching someone chew something really close up and you're just like, how did I get here? It's just gonna have to be. Yeah, this side still doesn't wanna like
Conform?
Yeah.
Is there tape behind it?
Yeah.
It looks so good. I like it. Very subtle, but yet kind of poppy. That's a thing.
It does look really nice. Everything came together really nicely on Stella.
Right? Ties in the color of the wheels. Ties in your sway bars. It looks good. It looks really good. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.